Hi, I'm Pranav Gupta. My student number is 214-270-151.
Hi, my name is Ogunjobi Idowu, student number 214006688. Here we have the interface board. We have the keypad board, as you can see the red line there. We've made changes to the code. As you can see, an if-else loop right here. Just a second. Yeah, just shows, for example, what. One second, just a second. What column? For example, to get button one, column one, row one, the one is pressed, Alt2, hash, and then we also made changes. Yeah, and another false statement. So we're gonna run it now, and it's gonna tell us
Press the button and it's going to tell us
which one has been pressed. Okay, so I'm gonna run the code. Press enter. Press 1. Shows you button 1 is pressed. Press 5.
5.
Shows you button 5 is pressed. Press 0. Shows you button 0 is pressed. Thank you so much.